Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to guide you through the process of performing a factory reset using MTP mode. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, connect your device to your computer using a USB cable now. On your computer, open the software and ensure that your device is being detected. Once confirmed, proceed to initiate the factory reset. During the reset, your phone will automatically reboot. It may take a few minutes for the reset to complete, so be patient. After the reset is finished, your device will reboot again, and you'll see a message indicating that the data is being erased. This is normal, so don't panic. Before proceeding with the factory reset, it's crucial to back up any important data stored on your device. This includes photos, videos, documents, and any other files you want to retain. A factory reset will erase all data on your device, returning it to its original factory settings. This involves wiping out all user data, clearing caches, and reverting system settings to their default state. Once this reset process is completed, the device needs to reconfigure itself from scratch. This includes reinstalling preloaded applications, setting up system parameters, and performing various initialization routines. During this phase, the device may also conduct self-checks and optimizations to ensure everything is functioning correctly. These checks can involve verifying hardware components, checking for software integrity, and optimizing system performance. Depending on the device's hardware specifications and the complexity of these initialization processes, the time taken for the reboot after a factory reset can vary. Therefore, while the device may not always require an extended period to reboot after a factory reset, the duration can be influenced by the intricacies of its reset and initialization procedures. The time it takes for a device to reboot after a factory reset could be due to several reasons, including the need for the device to clear caches, reconfigure system settings, reinstall preloaded apps, and perform other initialization processes. Additionally, the device might undergo self-checks and optimizations during startup to ensure proper functionality, all of which can contribute to the time delay before rebooting. Whenever you have questions or need guidance, I'm here to provide support and assistance. With regular updates and new features, subscribing ensures you'll stay connected and informed. See you on the next one.